Shopping is fun. We all love choosing new clothes and home products, but do you ever think about what they're doing to our planet? The numbers speak for themselves. Old clothes and home textiles taking up valuable land space. New clothes and home textiles consuming valuable resources to produce. They all have an impact on the environment. Something needs to change, and you can help by making the right choices. Like buying products made of TENCEL sustainable fibers. TENCEL fibers let you feel right and feel good about the environment. TENCEL fibers are identifiable, verifiable, and traceable along the supply chain, ensuring the final products carry all the sustainability benefits promised from TENCEL. TENCEL fibers are derived from nature, produced from the natural raw material, wood. On a journey to true carbon zero, we continuously lower our carbon footprint. TENCEL fibers come in two varieties, TENCEL lyocell and TENCEL modal. Let's look at how these fibers are produced. Our story starts in the forest. The production of TENCEL fibers makes full use of wood harvested. Nothing goes to waste. Even the wood pulp from the pulp mill gives us other co-products, like acetic acid. And any residue from the wood is turned to biofuel for energy generation. The resulting wood pulp is transformed into TENCEL fibers. TENCEL lyocell fibers are very versatile. Let's see how they're produced. The process reuses almost all of the chemicals employed. And makes highly efficient use of resources. So TENCEL lyocell fibers help reduce the impact on the environment, while increasing comfort with their gentleness. TENCEL fibers are smooth to the touch. They are also strong. TENCEL lyocell brings natural comfort to everything, from denim to intimates to home linens and even footwear. TENCEL modal is renowned for its softness. And for its superior color retention. TENCEL modal production also uses resources efficiently. And generates the co-product sodium sulfate used in detergent manufacture. TENCEL modal fibers also offer long-lasting comfort through their softness. As well as durable color. Like lyocell, TENCEL modal fibers suit a wide array of applications, from innerwear and other apparel to bedding. When we call TENCEL sustainable, don't just take our word for it. The Hague Materials Sustainability Index measures 5 important markers of sustainability in textile manufacturing. in which TENCEL lyocell and modal emerge as stars. At the end of their life, textiles still have an impact on the environment. TENCEL fibers are certified biodegradable under a range of conditions, meaning they minimize environmental pollution. So give nature a helping hand and look for TENCEL sustainable fibers the next time you're shopping for textile products. The Earth will thank you for it.